Hello investors, it's me once again, Paolo from Megaworld, and this is your 2-bedroom unit here in Vion Tower. On my left, this is your kitchen area where if you want to showcase your cooking skills, this is the perfect place for your family as well. Okay. We also have some overhead and under-counter cabinets. And then on my left, this is also where your utility room or maid's room, which you already have your sliding partition. Welcome to your bedroom number 1. On this side of the unit, you have unobstructed views of Magallanes village and certain parts of BGC. Let's go to your bedroom number 2. Everything you see inside, you'll be getting this upon turnover. Take a look at the toilet and bath here in this unit. Get this unit with no down payment with 0% interest. Inquire now to know more.
Vion Tower and Vion West is strategically located in EDSA, corner Chino Roses, Makati City, right in the middle of Dasmariñas and Magallanes Village, one of the prominent villages here in the Philippines. We offer state-of-the-art smart home units and it has its own Megaworld lifestyle mall below. And in just few minutes, you will reach the new Senate building, your perfect target market for rentals. International travel becomes more accessible, opening up opportunities for business, leisure, and exploration. This could also mean less time spent commuting to and from flights. Proximity to an airport can increase demand for properties, potentially leading to higher property values. Properties near airports can be an attractive investment option due to their potential for appreciation. Since you're near BGC, future unit owners will surely enjoy the lifestyle benefits. Adding to your future destinations coming from Vion is the Uptown Mall. Future unit owners of Vion Tower and Vion West can engage in various community events and activities, creating a sense of belonging, either a concert or your favorite sporting event here in Mall of Asia.
Don't miss the opportunity to own a premium Makati address today. We offer no down payment terms from studio up to 2-bedroom units. Inquire now to know more about Vion Tower and Vion West.